What if I told you the Suez Canal almost didn't happen? This is the story of how the world's most crucial waterway came to be. Let's find out more about this incredible engineering marvel and the near disasters that shaped its construction. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating engineering stories. The Suez Canal, a lifeline connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It's nothing short of an engineering wonder, but did you know it faced countless challenges and almost insurmountable obstacles on its road to where it is today? This canal isn't just a waterway, it's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. So how did it all begin? Well, the idea of linking the two seas dates back to ancient times. Pharaohs and emperors dreamed of such a canal, but it wasn't until the 19th century that the dream became a reality. In 1859, construction finally began under the guidance of French engineer Ferdinand de Lesseps. But even with modern technology, the project was fraught with difficulties. Imagine the sea, vast deserts, extreme heat, and the daunting task of carving out a 120-mile canal. It sounds impossible. De Lesseps and his team had to overcome not just the physical challenges, but also the political and financial hurdles. One of the most significant issues was the labor force. The canal was built by a mix of Egyptian and European engineers. The working conditions were brutal. Thousands of workers lost their lives due to disease and harsh conditions. But the story doesn't end there. Once construction began, nature itself seemed to conspire against the project. The canal route traversed through varying terrains, each presenting its own set of challenges. For instance, the Bitter Lakes region had high salinity levels that posed problems for both construction and navigation. One of the biggest engineering feats was dealing with the massive amount of excavation required. The engineers had to move over 1.5 billion cubic feet of earth. They used cutting-edge technology for the time, like steam-powered dredgers and excavators. But even with these machines, progress was slow and arduous. And here's something that might surprise you. The initial design didn't include locks. Unlike the Panama Canal, which uses a lock system to raise and lower ships, the Suez Canal was designed to be a sea-level canal. This decision simplified the engineering, but brought its own set of challenges, especially concerning water flow and sedimentation. Speaking of sedimentation, keeping a canal clear of slit and debris is an ongoing battle. The engineers had to develop innovative dredging techniques to ensure the canal remained navigable. Over time, they introduced more advanced equipment, and today the Suez Canal Authority operates a fleet of state-of-the-art dredgers. Now let's talk about some of the close calls and disasters that almost derailed the project. During construction, there were numerous incidents where equipment failures and natural disasters threatened to halt progress. One of the most dramatic moments was when a series of violent storms flooded the construction site, causing massive delays and damage. The engineers had to quickly adapt, reinforcing the canal banks and improving drainage systems to prevent future flooding. And if you think the challenges ended with the canal's completion, think again. The Suez Canal has faced several closures and political conflicts over the years, notably the Suez Crisis in 1956 and the Six-Day War in 1967, which led to the canal being shut down for 8 years. Each time the canal emerged stronger with improvements and expansions, making it more efficient. In recent years, the Suez Canal has undergone significant upgrades, including the construction of the new Suez Canal, a parallel waterway that allows for two-way traffic and reduces transit time. This modern engineering marvel was completed in just a year, thanks to advances in technology and engineering practices. So what makes the Suez Canal so vital today? It's simple: global trade. Approximately 12% of the world's trade passes through this canal, making it a crucial artery for the global economy. Without it, ships would have to take the much longer and perilous route around the southern tip of Africa. But the canal's importance isn't just economic, it's a symbol of what human ingenuity can achieve. From its inception in the minds of ancient rulers to its realization in the 19th century and its continued evolution today, the Suez Canal stands as a monument to engineering excellence. So what do you think is the most impressive aspect of the Suez Canal's construction? Drop a comment down below and subscribe for more content like this.